Hey everyone, this is Devjani from The Beautiful Us. We all are beautiful in our own way, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you all know, I have recently started a series of skincare related videos and a series of makeup and fashion related videos for the coming festive season, and this is the makeup and fashion related video number 1 where I have created this look here. And if you don't know what the series is, then I'll give the link to the I button and as well as in the description box. Do check out. And if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing, hit to that notification bell so that you'll never miss any of my future videos. And you can also follow me on my social medias. I'll give all the links to the screen and as well as in the description box to check out. Ready? Let's get started.
So for the foundation, today I'm using Fit Me from Maybelline, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender, damp beauty blender. I have done my eyebrows off camera. Then with a Fit Me concealer, I'm going to conceal my usual areas, and I'm using this as a eyelid primer as well to cancel all the darkness. I'm going to blend this concealer with a damp small beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Pack Cosmetics. This is very good for blending concealer. Then I'm going to set and going to bake my face with Miss Clear loose powder. I'm going to start the eye makeup with this color. First I'm going to define my upper crease area. This is going to be my transition shade. Then with this orange shade, I'm going to define my crease as well as upper crease area. Then with this red or maroon shade, I'm going to define further. I'm going to define the crease area further with a back and forth motion, as blending is the key of any eye makeup. So you should blend, blend and blend. Then with a clean brush, I'm going to blend all the edges. Now with this shade, I'm going to deepen up the crease area furthermore. You don't need to be very precise, because anyway we are going to clean up the lid area with a concealer. Using back and forth motion, going to blend the color. Then again taking the fluffy clean brush and going to blend the edges. Now with this concealer and with a flat brush, I'm going to clean up the lid area. You can also clean the lid area with a makeup remover, then you can apply concealer, but I'm just using a concealer to clean up the lid area. I'm just making a wing with this concealer. Just take your time and do it slowly. Now with this shade, with that flat brush only, I'm patting the eyeshadow over the concealer. Then again I'm taking the same crease color, that brown color, and again I'm going to placing it to the crease area. Then now I'm going to dust all the loose powder that I used for baking. Then I'm going to take this SQ black eyeliner and going to draw a wing out of it, taking some time to make it perfectly. I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye also. You can always clean up all the messes that you have done. Then with my favorite push up mascara from Maybelline, I'm going to do my mascara. Then taking that red and brown shade, I'm going to smudge my lower line area with a pencil brush for a balanced look and for giving a depth to my eyes. Now with a small brush, I'm highlighting my inner corners and brow bone area. Then with this shade, I'm going to contour my cheeks. I have taken much product, so it took me a while for blending it. Then with this Maybelline blush, I'm going to do my blush to my cheeks. Then for highlighter also, I'm taking a highlighting color from that palette only and going to highlight my usual areas. And I'm also going to contour my nose slightly with the same color that I have used for contouring my cheeks. With a pencil brush, first drawing the line and going to blend it with my fingers. So now for the lips, I'm going to take my favorite red color from Retro Matte range of MAC Cosmetics. The color is Fashion Legacy. This is my absolute favorite red color. So here my look is complete. How do you like this look? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like, then please give a big thumbs up. And I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.